Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Twilio, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in Twilio can be a strategic move for beginners looking to enter the tech market. Start by researching Twilio's business model and product offerings. Understand that Twilio provides cloud communication services, allowing businesses to connect with customers through various channels. Next, familiarize yourself with Twilio's financial performance. Look for key metrics such as revenue growth, profitability, and market share. Visit Twilio's official website and review their latest earnings reports and investor presentations. Consider following industry news to stay updated on developments in the tech sector. Once you feel informed, set up a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that offers user-friendly tools and resources for beginners. After establishing your account, deposit funds to get ready for your investment. Now it's time to determine how many shares of Twilio you would like to purchase. Assess your budget and decide on an investment strategy. You can opt to buy shares outright or consider dollar cost averaging for long-term investment. Navigate to the search bar on your brokerage platform and enter Twilio or its stock ticker TWLO. Review the stock's current. Place your order by specifying the number of shares you want to buy and the type of order. You can select a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Before finalizing your purchase, double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. After executing the buy order, monitor Twilio's performance regularly. Keep an eye on market trends, company announcements, and quarterly earnings releases. Consider setting up price alerts or notifications to track significant changes. As a long-term investor, evaluate your investment's performance periodically. Decide if you want to hold, sell, or increase your investment based on your research and market conditions. Remain patient and avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. In conclusion, investing in Twilio involves understanding its business, conducting research, and making informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.